Welcome to this step-by-step guide on removing a playlist from Amazon Music. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to music.amazon.com. When the page loads, you will see the Amazon Music interface with all of its available features. At this point, ensure that you are signed into your account if prompted so that you have access to your personal library and playlists. Once you have successfully entered Amazon Music, focus your attention on the navigation menu located on the interface. Look for the option labeled Library. Clicking on Library brings you closer to viewing your collection of music, including any playlist you have created or saved. The Library section serves as a repository for all the content you enjoy, and from here you have the ability to manage your music effectively. After selecting the library, the next step is to locate the section dedicated to playlists. This section is specifically designed to display playlists rather than individual songs or albums. By clicking on playlists, the screen refreshes to show you a list of all your playlists. This is where you can either manage new additions or remove ones that no longer serve your listening habits. Once you have the list of your playlists visible, decide on which playlist you wish to remove. Carefully select the desired playlist by clicking on it. This action opens the detailed view of the selected playlist, allowing you to see its contents. Take a moment here to confirm that you have chosen the correct playlist before proceeding with its deletion. With your chosen playlist open, direct your attention to the control options provided for managing the playlist. Most likely, you will notice an icon that visually resembles three dots. This icon is commonly used in various applications to designate additional settings or options. Click on this three-dot menu to reveal further actions you can take concerning the playlist. Within the menu options that appear, search for the option labeled Delete Playlist. Clicking this option initiates the deletion process for the selected playlist. Once you click on Delete Playlist, the system will process your request and remove the playlist from your library. It is advisable to double check that you no longer need the playlist, as deleting it will remove the curated list of songs permanently from your account. By following these instructions, you have successfully removed a playlist from your Amazon Music account. Each step in this process ensures that you are in control of your music library, allowing you the flexibility to manage your playlists with confidence. This guide was designed to be simple and clear, making it easy for you to navigate the Amazon Music web interface and perform the deletion task smoothly and efficiently. Enjoy your streamlined music experience on Amazon Music.